Alright guys, today we're going to do a opening of 3 Duel Overlord boxes. I'm excited to see what we're going to pull. 18 packs here, and these are the giant cards that I pull. 2 Dark Magicians and 1 Dark Magician Girl. Start with the single packs. With the Science First, Flame Swordsman's pack first. Number 27, Cubic, Air Knight, Musketeer, Digusto Ammo, alright, Harpy Spell card, that, Condemned Witch, Malefic, Firebrand, Wystrix, alright, Crystal Fiber, Mirage. Alright. Very good. Very good pull. Malefic Magic card. Spearoy. Golden Castle. Venice Ruler. Wild Draft. Mandoche. DD. Another fan of Eddie's. The new Yazing card. Restrict sign. So that's $10. A couple dollars. Let's put all the high money card right there. Dark Anthelian Dragon. Musketeer. The new Trap Tricks. Paleo Swap Frog. Emma's Judgment. Deck Lockdown. Abyss Actor. Omega, Cybernetic Overflow, Last Warrior, Rose Spell or Revelation, Ojama, another Mirage. Alright, starting off with Cybernetic Overflow again, Spearoy, Air Knight, third Mirage, my goodness, Sky Striker Ray Pack, Destiny Hero Celestia, Alien Stormtrooper, the Trap Tricks. What's this one again? Pfeiffer and Chaos Goddess. Sephiroth, Abyss Actor, Tour Guy. What's that? Let's pull something good again. Judgment, Deck Lockdown, Ziki, that, Digusto Ammo, Ray Pack, come on, another Sephiroth, Malefic, the new Miyakashi Trap, the new card, and our Whimper. Alright, so we get Destiny Halo Celestial, Historic Sign, Starry Venom, Chaos Goddess, and Malefic Trap. Alright, Cybernetic, Warrior, Turiai, Fuma, and Cubic. Man, they really overprint this Cybernetic Overflow thing. Card. Spearoy. What's this? Ancient Gear. Synchro Transcend. And Malefic Tune. Well, overall, we just pulled 1 needle fiber, and that's pretty much it. We didn't really pull any of the other big money cards, but that's alright.